Hello everyone, I am Sachin Madan, the faculty of the DBS Saharanpur, and I had been nominated for Habit Hero Harappa Education Contest. So I am here to share my views regarding the virtual classes and what I had been implemented to make my class interactive and what the problems I had faced during these virtual classes. So, as we all know, that it has been a challenging time for all of us during this pandemic duration. So, we cannot deny that fact that all of a sudden, and because of something that is totally out of control, the students has to study remotely, and all our educators and the administrators are in a permanent search of a new tools and techniques to face challenges that we haven't faced before. And still now, we can say till now, we are all in a search to provide a better education to our students. So basically, what I'm going to share is and what I am doing to provide a better education to the students is that I prepared first. I have to prepare my lesson. And how I'm going to prepare my lesson? I prepared a presentation, a beautiful presentation for the students to make my class more interactive. A presentation in the Microsoft PowerPoint. So what I do, I play that presentation in the class, used various techniques, various effects, various transition effects, colors, pictures, graphics. I made such presentation so that my class looks more interactive and the students could engage in my class. As we all know that during this virtual classes, a student might feel bored. We all face these problems. So to overcome this kind of problem, we have to interact with the students in a session. During a session, we have to interact with the students by asking questions, by asking quiz, by doing a rapid fire session. We have to interact with the students so that the students cannot get bored in the class. I'm using various tools and techniques. Like I've said that I use PPT, I use Blackboard, or sorry, you can say a whiteboard to present my chapter or present the flow chart of the chapter. But still, I feel the students are not getting what we are trying to teach them. As like me, that I know that many of those teachers were facing the same problem while teaching a students remotely, is that they have some internet issue, they have some connectivity issue. Since if your teaching is boring, then the student might say that sir or ma'am, your voice is not audible, the voice is cracking. To avoid your lecture, or like they make an excuse to avoid your lecture because they feel bored, they feel unenergetic during the lecture, because most of the time they used to sit offline, or you can say not offline, by putting the cameras off, because they don't want that to show their faces to us, because they don't like us, because they don't feel to interact with us. So make it interactive, so make our lecture interactive. We have to search for new tools and techniques every day. The biggest problem I had faced is that the while teaching in the class, because I am a math teacher, so while teaching in a class, the biggest problem I had faced is that the connectivity issue. Students might not get my presentation properly on their screen, the board was not visible due to the connectivity issue, or my voice is not reaching there. Since I tried my best, to make the class interactive. So beside all such problems, I know that me as well as all the teachers are facing many more problems, and they are trying their and they're putting their very best to provide a better education to the students. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for getting me a chance to uh, contact with you, or to interact with these on this platform. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.